Hi, Christine again. I want to make a thumbnail for the video that I made, which was my first walkthrough of DzynSpace. And I thought, hey, I might as well use DzynSpace to make the thumbnail. Let's see how I can do this. This is sort of my second time I've used it, so bear with me. I'm still very much a newbie to this. So this is unboxing number 2 of DzynSpace, which is being touted as being New Zealand's alternative to Canva. So let's have a wee look. I'm going to go into Design Editor, click on Find a Template, and Facebook, Instagram. There's nothing specific there, I don't think, for YouTube. That's okay, so I've got a pretty good idea what I want it to look like. Oops, I think I just clicked on something I didn't need. That's okay. I'm going to go create new template. Let's see what it gives me. And again, I haven't looked at any tutorials or anything like that. Okay, I want it to be landscape format. What do I do? I don't want to format. I don't want to generate an image yet. I want to make this landscape. Okay, resize the page. Okay, this might do what I need it to do. I need it to be 1376. To unlock that, I want it to be 768. And that's pixels. Okay, do that again. 1376. Hello. 768 pixels. Apply. Yay. Okay. So that's cool. Now, let's do a background. I want the background to be a certain shade of green that I like, which is 05637. That's it. That's my dark green that I use. I want to put an image down here. So let's go to images. Actually, let's go to uploads. I did this last time, didn't I? Uploads, add file. Want to load this image. Waiting for that to come available. There we go. Click on that. This image of me to be in the bottom right. Yeah, I know it doesn't look like me at the moment. It looks like me on a really good day. Oh, something just happened. What's just happened? Okay, I wasn't clicking anything there. I'm not sure what happened, but oh well, it's come back. Let's move that down to there. Okay. Now what I want next is I want to do a screenshot of the DzynSpace logo. So what I might do is I'll open a new tab and I'll go to DzynSpace.co.nz. No, I've spelled it wrong. That's why. Design space. And I want to find something that looks like a logo. That down there looks nice. So I've got a screenshotting thing on my computer called Green Shot, which I love. So I've copied that. paste it. Can I paste? No, I can't paste. Okay. So I have to upload another file from my screenshots folder, which is this one. For it to come up, mix that there. Oh, look, I've got remove background if I want to. I don't think I will this time. I'll just do this, make it go. It's there. I might move it around a bit. Let's add some text. So what I want to do is I want to do a title. I want it to be Vincent's Bar. I'll hit Shift Enter Alternative. I just want to make that a bit bigger. So I drag that. Yep, that works. And I want to do it in white text. Text, and I'd like it to have a shadow. Shadow. Disable shadow, enable shadow. So it's got a little bit of a shadow there. It's not bad. NZ's Canva alternative. And that's not bad. It's a bit boring. Let's put some more words in there. Let's put in this one. Let's have this first. Look. We want that to be for it as well. Hello. Right. I want that to be bigger. And I might tilt it a little bit so it looks like that. Then I'll bring this down here. Bring this down here. We're starting to get there. Yeah, I'm not a designer. I am really, really bad at design. So bear with me. If you think, oh my goodness, this looks awful, then yeah, it does. But I'm not a designer. Let's put a shape behind this. Let's go with this one. Make it small. Stick it over here. Let's, I suppose black will do. How do I move it back? Position. Backward. Here we go. And I'll change the angle to be about the same as that. It's looking a bit big thing. Like this. Is it coming? Cool. And it's still a little bit too jerky. I wonder if I can make that center. Let me just. Okay, well, this seems to work. That's pretty simple. I might make this come forward a bit. Position to the front. Yeah, that's better. That's okay, I suppose. It's not bad. It's a good start. And there we go. So now I can say save. I can give it a name. YouTube thumbnail first look. That'll do. Okay, that's it. And now I can download it. So, yes, I can create a YouTube thumbnail. I'm not sure if I've got the dimensions right, but if I haven't, I'll go in here and tweak that after. That's it. Not too bad. Pretty easy. The design is okay. It's just what came out of my mind. But I may as well use that. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in using DzynSpace, you'll find a link to where you can get it below this video.